In this stretch tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to stretch out the bottom of your foot, known as the plantar fascia, as well as at the same time doing your calf. So we're going to be in a seated position for this one. You'll notice I've got a nice towel here, and that's what I'm going to be using for the stretch. You can use something like a belt and also a resistance band. I like to use something like a towel for this just to take down the risk. I certainly don't want you pinging yourself in the face with a belt or a resistance band, and if you do that with a towel, it's not going to be anywhere near as painful if you make a mistake. So what I want you to do is, as opposed to a calf stretch, if I was using a band or a belt, I'd be on this position of the foot. So I would be just beneath the toes on the balls of the foot here. So once we come into a stretch where we're incorporating the plantar fascia, we have to now bring the toes back as well. So I've got to be almost in this position. So when I'm wrapping the towel around, which you probably won't be able to see, I'm going to be in a position where all the toes are covered by the towel and they are being pulled back, as well as the ankle being pulled back, and that's when I'm going to get the calf stretch. So you should be feeling this at the bottom of the foot as well as the calf. You might want to use something like a tea towel if a towel is too big. So let's give it a go. So I'm going to pop the towel high enough on the foot so where I'm feeling my toes coming back. So I can start to feel my toes coming back now towards my body. So they're pointing more in the position of my head. And I'm also pulling with my hands, so I'm also getting my calf in as well. So I'm feeling a stretch in my calf as well as at the bottom of the foot. Once you have done your desired amount of seconds, you're going to do exactly the same on the other foot. So I'm going to pop it around the toes. From here, I can now start to slowly feel the ankle and toes come back. And then right now I can feel that on the bottom of the foot as well as the back of the calf. And that is how to do a seated calf and bottom of the foot stretch, known as your plantar fascia.